Welcome back to Star Flames TV, the channel for all your juicy scoops, trending topics, celebrity chit-chats, gossips, and a whole lot more. I'm your girl, Star Flames. In this video, we're gonna talk about Sean Diddy Combs, attorney Anthony Rico, exiting from Diddy's camp because he's saying that he's been having some post-struggles issues with Mark Agnifilo. So the issue is not with Diddy per se, it is with Mark Agnifilo. Let's get into this report, guys, so as to keep you all abreast as to what is going on in this case. Now, Diddy has one less lawyer fighting for him into his federal trial because his legal team couldn't get on the same page regarding the best defense for him. Sources with direct knowledge of Anthony Rico's exit from Diddy's camp tells us there had been a power struggle going on between lead attorney Mark Agnifilo and him for several months, and it finally came to a head. As reported, Rico shook up Diddy's team Friday morning by informing the judge he could no longer effectively defend his client, but his filing lacked detail about why he was jumping ship. We're told the battle within Team Diddy centered around the ex-trafficking allegations, and there was a disagreement on how to handle that part of the federal indictment when they go to trial. Now, for his part, Agnifilo has repeatedly denied the trafficking charge and instead says the so-called freak-offs always involve consensual acts between Diddy, a girlfriend, and a third party. As we reported, Agnifilo filed a motion to dismiss count 3 of the indictment, which is all about the Mann Act, the transportation of individuals to engage in prostitution. Now, guys, the report further states that our sources says Rico grew frustrated when his efforts to speak directly to Diddy about the legal strategies were thwarted by co-counsel, and that's why he felt he couldn't properly defend the hip-hop mogul. We're also told Rico strongly believed they wouldn't be ready to go to trial by May 5th. Whoa, that's not good though. The scheduled start date, and thought they should ask the judge for more time. His co-counsel strongly disagreed. Push came to shove and Rico peaced out. Our sources connected to Diddy told us a Rico departure is much ado about nothing, saying lead defense attorney Agnifilo and Tenny Giragos have been rock solid for almost a year now. We've reached out to Diddy's rep for comment, but no word back. Agnifilo made it clear in TMZ's Downfall of Diddy documentary, he wants to go to trial as soon as possible. And in today's filing, Rico told the judge his departure would not delay Diddy's defense. Now, I believe that that's the end of that report, but I do believe what Anthony is saying. He's saying that he doesn't think that they are ready for May 5th. And I believe him because even though, we've been seeing Mark Agnifilo on this case and we've been hearing more about him. If you guys remember, like from the get-go of the case, I said it seems as though Mark Agnifilo cannot handle this case by himself. And then shortly after that, Diddy got another attorney on his team. And as such, I am inclined to believe Anthony. I do believe they are not ready for the May 5th trial because the mere fact that they cannot even come with any, supporting character witness in support of Diddy. And we're not talking about Ye's Instagram posts. We're talking about people who are willing to vouch for him or people who are willing to be character reference for Diddy. And May is just around the corner. No one is putting themselves on the line for that. And not just that. When you look at what Mark Agnifilo is saying, it's just argument like, oh, this is just the American way of life. They love to have extra companies in their bedroom. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I believe they need something stronger than that at this point. And as such, and so Anthony is saying, There's some back and forth here. Agnifilo is not listening to me. He's not taking my feedback. I can't get access to Diddy to do a proper job of doing my job. And as such, I'm going to pull myself out. But I believe the reason why he's not able to get access to Diddy is because of the mounting allegations and the matter of fact that it's more proving to be factual than it is towards a lie. I think with the overwhelming evidence that they have on Diddy and Diddy speaking with Anthony, he would have came across a few discoveries that he wouldn't have been up to par with and would eventually leave the case. So that's what I believe, honestly, and I'm going to keep it real. I believe that Diddy has done everything that he's been accused of and a lot more. But I want to hear from you guys. What's your take? While you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up, share, stay safe, and see you all in the comment section. Peace.